Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. From my latest chainsawing video, I was able to make the axe chopping block, the spoon, and this will be the third and last piece. The goal is to try and get these tops as flat as possible. The chainsaw cuts are pretty rough. Let's see what power tools we have to flatten them out a little. That looks pretty flat to me. It is definitely not perfect, but I think the plants should be able to sit on there without any problems. I used a combination of belt sander, reciprocating saw, router, and even picked up my first woodworking rasp from Nicholson's. It's supposed to be pretty decent and affordable. Next step is, I think I'm going to paint the top of those. The paint should be dry. I thought it would look a little bit better. The paint will definitely protect from the environments a little bit. And I thought since teal is my wife's favorite color, it would add a nice accent to our garden. Going to set it up somewhere over here with some plants. The sun is going down. We don't know what combination my wife wants to use. I do like this orange Halloween one with this tall one in the middle and this long one on the side. Video number 99 done.